Evan, I'm concerned about Mr. Paul's progress after the knee replacement surgery. He's having difficulty walking without assistance.
Yes, Mihira, it's normal for there to be some mobility limitations initially. But we need to assess if there's any underlying issue hindering his recovery.
He's been complaining of increased pain in the knee, especially when bearing weight. Could there be a complication?
It's possible. We should schedule a follow-up appointment with the surgeon to rule out any potential complications.
In the meantime, we can focus on strengthening the muscles around the knee. I've been working with him on exercises, but he seems to be struggling.
Maybe we need to adjust the exercises or try different techniques. Mihira, we can also explore the use of assistive devices to help him with mobility.
I'm also concerned about his mental state. He seems a bit down and frustrated.
That's understandable. Recovery from surgery can be challenging. We should involve the social worker to provide emotional support and counseling. Mihira, it sounds like you're going through something that needs a closer look. The next step would typically involve a thorough examination by a doctor. They'll likely want to hear more about what you've been experiencing and conduct a physical checkup. To get a clearer picture, some tests might be necessary. These could include a simple heart tracing called an ECG, some blood tests to check various levels in your body, or perhaps a chest X-ray to see what's happening internally. Once the doctor has had a chance to examine you and review any test results, they'll be able to discuss the appropriate treatment plan with you, tailored to your specific needs. Remember, we're here to support you through this process.